Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm here to share with you the secret to boosting your confidence with beauty sleep. When you get enough quality sleep, your body goes into repair mode, helping to reduce inflammation and increase collagen production. This means waking up with a radiant and youthful glow that can instantly boost your confidence. Not only does beauty sleep improve your skin, but it also has a positive impact on your mental health. Getting a good night's rest can help reduce stress and anxiety, leading to a more positive mindset and increased self-assurance. So, next time you're tempted to stay up late binge-watching your favorite show, remember the power of beauty sleep in boosting your confidence. Take care of yourself, inside and out, and watch how your confidence shines through. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, a good night's sleep is the best beauty secret of all. Sweet dreams.
Hey, beautiful souls. Today, I'm here to bust some common acne myths and share some confidence-boosting tips for clear, glowing skin. Firstly, let's debunk the myth that oily skin causes acne. While excess oil can contribute to breakouts, it's not the sole culprit. In fact, using harsh products to strip away oil can actually worsen acne by triggering more oil production. Opt for gentle, non-comedogenic products that won't clog your pores. Now, onto the myth that only teenagers get acne. The truth is, acne can affect people of all ages. Hormonal changes, stress, diet, and genetics can all play a role in acne development. Remember, it's normal to have the occasional breakout, and it doesn't define your worth. Remember, clear skin is not the only measure of beauty. Embrace your natural beauty, flaws and all. Confidence is the key to glowing from the inside out. You are beautiful just the—
Hey there, it's great to see you. Have you ever thought about how sugar-free snacks can actually boost your discipline? Let's dive into it. First off, sugar-free snacks can help regulate your blood sugar levels, which in turn can help you maintain consistent energy throughout the day. Instead of experiencing those dreaded sugar crashes, you'll feel more focused and alert. Next, sugar-free snacks can also reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. By choosing snacks that are sweetened with natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet or discipline. By incorporating sugar-free snacks into your daily routine, you'll not only support your physical health, but also strengthen your willpower and discipline. So go ahead, grab a sugar-free snack and fuel your day with focus and determination. Remember, small choices like opting for sugar-free snacks can make a big impact on your overall discipline. Keep up the great work. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk about some common dermatology mistakes that might be preventing you from achieving that clear, flawless skin you've been dreaming of. First things first, using too many products can actually do more harm than good. It's important to stick to a simple routine with products that suit your skin type. Overloading your skin with multiple products can cause irritation and breakouts. Next, not wearing sunscreen every day is a big no-no. Sun exposure not only causes premature aging but also increases your risk of skin cancer. Make sure to use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days. Remember, taking care of your skin is a form of self-love. By avoiding these common dermatology mistakes, you can achieve the clear, healthy skin you deserve. So, treat yourself with kindness and care, because you are worth it. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to radiant skin and a radiant soul. Take care, lovelies. Hey there, beauties. Today, I want to talk to you about some common mistakes to avoid when it comes to repairing your skin barrier for success. First off, one mistake to avoid is over-exfoliating. While exfoliating can help remove dead skin cells and improve the texture of your skin, doing it too often can actually damage your skin barrier. Make sure to only exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to keep your skin healthy and happy. Next, using harsh or stripping cleansers can also be detrimental to your skin barrier. Opt for gentle cleansers that won't strip your skin of its natural oils, helping to maintain a healthy barrier. Remember, taking care of your skin barrier is essential for healthy, glowing skin. So, avoid these mistakes and your skin will thank you. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to happy, healthy skin. Sparkling Heart Herb.